Eto na naman po tayo sa ating episode ngayon sa At Home with Chef Gene. And today, napakadali nito. Kayang-kaya niyong gawin to. Pag umikot kayo ng supermarket, lahat ng mga ingredients na to makukuha po ninyo. Gagawa tayo ng longganisa. Pero, sabihin nyo, di ba may balat yun, longganisang hubad. Okay? In other words, hindi kailangan ng pabalat. Okay? Kailangan lang natin ang diskarte. Okay, so ito ang ating pork. And our pork meat na kailangan natin giniling is 400 grams of ground pork. 400 grams. Pagkatapos noon, lalagyan natin ng 100 grams of small diced back fat. Ayan ganyan kaliliit. Maliliit ang back fat. Ito ang magbibigay ng juiciness at texture sa ating longganisa. Okay. So, ayan ang ating longganisa. Juiciness and texture. And we mix together. Okay, and anong flavoring natin? Ito, dito papasok ang mga preferences natin. Ito, gawa ko kanina. Gawa ko mga 2 days ago. Hinayaan ko lang maging nilagay ko sa refrigerator para mag-develop ang flavor niya, magkaroon ng slight fermentation, at ang ginamit ko ay cling wrap. You can use aluminum foil, you can use even yung coated na paper na may wax, you can use that. And this is it. And this is so simple, but all you need are the proper ingredients, okay? You will need, okay? Longganisa has lots of pepper, so we're going to put 1 teaspoon of pepper. And then longganisa. Also, we're going to put 1/2 teaspoon of salt on our longganisa. Okay? Pa-exciting na. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng crushed garlic. 1/2 tablespoon of crushed garlic. So, mabawang to. Okay na okay to. Okay? And, lalagyan natin ng malaking pinch ng oregano, pampabango. Okay, dried oregano. Okay, mimix natin yan. And kailangan natin ng konting lalagyan natin ng Prague, okay? Prague powder. Actually, you don't need this if you are just going to use your longganisa for the next 3 days. Hindi naman kailangan to, pero makakatulong to sa preservation ng ating pagkain. Ito yung Prague powder. Very light nitrates and phosphates to. Okay, ginagamit talaga sa hotdog, longganisa, and ham making. Okay, may isa pa tayong meron pa tayong isang dapat na isama dito, pero minsan ayaw din naman nila, gusto nila homemade na style. So, meron tinatawag na accord. Okay? Yung accord is a binder. Okay? And the binder earns pinging ang konting accord, mga 1/4 teaspoon. Okay? Konti lang ang kailangan, between 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon for every half kilo. 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon for every half kilo. Ang tindi niya ginagamit yan para sa mga burgers, mga sausages, mga chorizo. Ito walang accord to, no? So magfa-fry tayo ng konti nito. and at the same time, pero develop na flavor nito, and ito may sugar. Ito naman, hindi ko lalagyan ng sugar to. At saka, dahil just for purposes of texture, para makita nyo, we are going to fry it now, but hindi well developed ang lasa nito. Kailangan mo ang lasa, kailangan mo, you want development of flavor, then it's got to be at least 2 to 3 days of curing. Ito, lalagyan ko ng patis ang ating longganisa, and I am going to put some vinegar. Okay? And about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons vinegar, kung anong kaya. And ito, lalagyan ko ng accord. So, yung isa natin, hindi ko lalagyan ng sugar. Ito, may sugar na to. Ito, hindi ko lalagyan ng sugar. Nasa sa inyo yan, kung anong style. Basta, ang importante, you have the back fat, you have the ground pork, salt, patis, a little dried oregano. So, Southern Tagalog style to, no? 1/4 teaspoon Prague powder. Okay? And, lalagyan natin ng crushed garlic, pepper, and optional ang sugar. May konting vinegar to, but not that much. Okay? And, ready na tayo. Ready na tayong mag-merienda, o kaya mag-breakfast, o magtanghalian. Okay? So, ito ang ating longganisa mix. And all you gotta do is line it up. Ito ang ating cling wrap. Okay? Ito ang ating cling wrap. Pwede ring foil. Kung ano meron kayo. Okay? I-layout ko ng ganyan yan. Okay? Layout ko ng mga 2 inches na ganyan. And we will cut it in half. And tutupin na natin. Ayan. Roll yun na natin. And meron na tayong rolled na sausage. Rolled na longganisa. Okay? So, ito yung rolled longganisa natin. Ito yung rolled longganisa natin. Kakat ko lang ng konti para hindi masyadong makapal at hindi mahirap tanggalin sa wrapping. Okay, hindi mahirap tanggalin sa pagka-wrap. Like I said, you get this meat, you develop it in your refrigerator for 2 days to 3 days. And you'll have a wonderful binawang na longganisa. Ito, walang sugar. Ito, meron. So, tatry natin to. And we will test this out. Pero ito, ayan na, dinivide ko na. I-twist lang natin ng ganyan. Para magkorte, i-twist natin yung mga dulo. Ito na po ang ating longganisa. Skinless. Yan ang binawang version. Ito ang sweet. So, we will proceed to frying this. Lagyan natin ng healthy chef. Okay, habang pinapainit natin ang ating kawali, kuha tayo ng suka. Lagyan natin ng sili. Pwede nating gupitin para magkaroon ng anghang. Gusto nyo lagyan ng sibuyas o bawang, okay lang. Ako, mas type ko, lagyan natin ng freshly cracked pepper. And our oil is hot already. And we are ready to get our longganisa. And we are ready to fry. Okay, the frog powder, pag nag-cure ang longganisa nyo, will give your longganisa a nice pink color kasi cured siya. Okay, so, eto yung binawang. So ito, walang additives, walang mga binder, walang bulker. Tunay na pure meat to. At kung gagawa kayo nito para sa family nyo, okay to. Yung iba nga, hindi nga nila kinukorte. Diretso na sa frying pan, niluluto na lang, tapos siniserve na durog. Parang giniling. All your preference. Okay, so we keep this fried. Ayan. Nasa Healthy Chef soya oil siya. Okay, and walang sugar to, kaya nakikita nyo walang caramelization. Ito ang ating longganisang nude o hubad. Okay. So that is our binawang na naked longganisa. Okay, so let's try the one with sugar. Ito yung isa natin na sugar. And doon sa ating formula, all you need is to put 2 tablespoons of sugar on half kilo of the pork mix. Yung pork and ground pork and fat, no? Na minix natin together with the spices. Alright. So, here's our garnish na natin. At ready na tayong kumain. At marami ng taster dito na inaabangan tong ginawa nating longganisa. Alright, this is the one with sugar, so this turns a little darker. Kailangan mas malalim ang ating mantika. Wow, that smells so good. Okay. So habang nagpa-fry tayo niyan, so, ito yung ating may sugar. So, may konting caramelization. Okay. There you go. And we are ready to try this out. Ako, ang type ko yung mabawang. Excellent. Etong may sugar. Lagyan natin ng Oo. Parehong masarap. Ladies and gentlemen, try this at home. Drop me a note and tell me if it's okay. Tell me if it's really good. I'll see you on the next episode. Maraming salamat sa ating mga supporters, mga tumutulong. Healthy Chef Soybean Oil. Maraming salamat. Of course, Masplex, Kitchen Pro. All of this will not be possible. Pati yung ating cookware, Masplex at Kitchen Pro. Thank you very much, everybody. And we will see you on the next episode.